So how you all doing, by the way? If you are new, please before you go, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video if you find it helpful. Now you can see on our pound to our USD, our pound actually fell for the week, as we can see on our weekly time frame. This was day 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So for the week, our price fell. Now we would want to see what our price will be headed for this week. We are trying to predict. As you can see, now our pound has fallen to test this our liquidity area. We are expected to see a push up, right? Which we are actually now getting. If we are to see it on our 4-hour time frame, we can now start getting this pullback. Where do you think this our price will be going? I possibly believe our price will fall again to test this our we like call it a support area, or this our liquidity area our price took out. We should actually be able to take it and possibly go bullish, possibly even close bullish for the week. That is exactly what I believe would happen. Our price should probably be closing bullish for the week, at least to 1.232. That is where I believe our price should be closing bullish at 1.232 for the week. So our pound is actually to go a little bit bullish, come down, and actually go bullish again. We will probably see a bullish move, exactly priced like this, a bullish move, they possibly fall again to test this area, and a continued bullish move again. This reason why I said we'll be seeing a drop is to take out a lot of traders who would be going bullish, who would likely be going bullish, by the way. As a lot of traders would believe, oh, it is now time for us to start going bullish. So this is exactly where we would probably be getting a fall, to take out a lot of traders, then we would continue to go bullish on our pound USD for the week. So that is my analysis, by the way. So you can see it on our index, by the way, as our pound would actually be giving us that bullish move, right? We'd actually be seeing that fall on our USD index. This is what I'm seeing on our index, USD index. When our USD index starts going bullish, we'll probably be seeing that fall on our pound to our USD. Then when our USD now starts falling, down to take out this our lows here, we'll probably be aiming for the week, then possibly would have that bullish move on our pound USD. So that is what this was what probably might be happening this week. So let's see how our price plays out. So we will take the trade, by the way. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share if you find this video helpful.